workplace safety hazard. You might get hit by a floating Hummer. Welcome to the J&J Auto Wrecking test video of MCFA144. My energy already botched it. This is a 2012 Fiat 500 Abarth. Mason's over there making race car noises.
Extra gloves the entire time.
Let's take a look at this bad boy. Where's the damage, Andy?
Damage is on the right front.
Right front. Very clean unit. I'm gonna go ahead and just fire this girl up. 95,745 miles on the Fiat MultiAir engine. A marvel of engineering. They don't really have camshafts. It's crazy. Woo, fires right up. We got boost on the loose here. We got an air fuel ratio gauge. We got all sorts of PSIs and TSIs and DSMs and Turbskis.
Whoa.
Let's do a walk around though, because this car has a lot of good parts on it. I'm gonna go ahead and take old C3PO here off. Get the old battery box off. Would be a J&J test video if there wasn't power issues, good or bad. We are gonna be selling this engine. Andy, you leave the turbo on it? Yep. Engine will be sold with the turbocharger. The aftermarket parts that you guys see here though are not coming with the motor. Let me reiterate that. No aftermarket parts on the motor. We will get them listed for sale separately. Maybe we'll cut you a deal if you buy the motor, but just wanted to be clear. We know this thing's pretty heavily modified and we're gonna rip it all off. This is the damage to the car though. Took a nice right front hit here. Andy, you wanna give me some revs? Maybe hold her at 2,000 for a quick second. Let me hear some boosts on the loose. Don't look now, there's just a Hummer floating by. Sounds good from here. We're gonna step over here while this is going on. Workplace safety hazard. You might get hit by a floating Hummer. Yeah. What if you don't have a life?
Does that mean you actually got to see your dad? I don't know. I know mine.
Wow, it got really dark in here really fast. All right. Hopefully people have not unsubscribed at this point due to family issues. Let's go over the rest of this here Fiat though. Very, very clean car. Like I said, we're gonna have all this interior for sale. A nice Abarth seat set. I apologize. Jeez, I can't talk. I apologize if I am butchering the name. I know I hear everything different, but I call it an Abarth. Maybe it's an Abarth, maybe it's something else. I don't speak Italian. Let's keep walking around though. We will have a complete rear bumper assembly. Nope.
The fender flares are drilled into the bumper itself.
Oh.
This is all cut out from the factory for that aftermarket exhaust. Same over here, and there's a crease here. So
Okay.
it's not worth our time.
Well, that bumper will not be for sale. If you really need it, bother Pippi and she'll tell you no. Hopefully. Not much to see back here. Honey, I deleted the rear seat. Actually very spacious though. These are such big little cars. Nice rear spoiler with a spoiler. That's like some Exhibit Pimp My Ride stuff. Spoilers on spoilers.
Like spoilers, so I gave her spoilers.
Well, what happened? So is this the cutout for this? So the air from the...
Yes. I think it may be referred to as a Ernie flats, but I couldn't find one on one of these at all.
It's for all the down forces. All right, let's step inside here and test some parts. We are running at 14.4, almost Stoich. Wow, she goes fat. Not a great tune there. All right. Whoever tuned this thing, she goes to like 20.2 on the air fuels on a D-cell. A little rich.
That tells tells me it probably wasn't tuned for all that aftermarket stuff.
Will it shoot flames?
Only one way to find out.
Let me test some parts. I don't think it will. Does it have a two-step?
Not that I heard.
Well, then it won't shoot a flame. It's got sport mode though. Let's go ahead and test out this beautiful radio. Get out of here, Andy. I'm trying to work.
I'm sorry, I'm trying to work too.
We just got to ban the bomb. Yep.
Thank you.
That right there was a copyright infringement, folks. My retirement just went in the pooper. All right, let me test out the transmission. Andy, I'm gonna move a little bit. Wow, that is a feathery clutch.
Yes, it is. Be careful.
Be careful, he says.
Right rear is locked up.
Oh.
By the way.
All right, well, it moved an inch. The right rear is locked. Yeah, all right, you guys saw the transmission does transmission things. Man, that's a cool key. All right. Well, let's take a look at the rest of this. Dashboard, we're obviously got that flat bottom steering wheel. This isn't for sale, but if you buy this, you'll get this with it. We'll just forget to remove it. Wink, wink, nudge, nudge. If you know a guy who knows a guy, buy the wheel, you'll get the poof. Same deal with the dash. You buy a dash, you'll get the poof. I don't know what the poof is, and I would deny all plausibility if anybody ever asked me, but you'll get it. Nice sun visors. We tested the windows already. They do window type things. Yeah. What am I forgetting to test, guys? Climate control, radio, windows, windshield wiper, transmission, motor. Aftermarket wheel set. We'll get those popped off and see if they're any good. Heater controls did heater control type things.
Oh, yeah. Did you check the glove box door?
It's closed.
You can always test that. But does it open and then reclose?
Andy. That is why we are the most comprehensive test video on YouTube. Test video facility. You want parts? We test parts. You want glove boxes? We make sure they latch.
And if they don't, you will know.
Yeah. All right, well, enough of trying to be funny, guys. I'm sorry if I bored you to death. That is going to be the test videos every time. Womp, womp, womp. That is the test video of MCFA144, our 2012 Fiat 500 Abarth. If you guys are looking for any of the parts off this car, such as that sweet MultiAir engine, that aftermarket exhaust, cold air intake, taillights, wheel tire set, really anything you guys saw in this video, I'll leave a link down below to our website, www.jandjautoWrecking.com, where, spoiler alert, you can buy parts there. That's what we do. So we did add this cool live chat feature, get you right over to our sales staff. They'll help you a lot faster than the good old eBay Messenger. I'm John at J&J Auto Wrecking. Check yourself before you wreck yourself. Thanks for watching, guys. Lee, any words of advice?
Be free.
Be free. Not really sure what that one was. Thanks for watching, guys.